to new class and session 2 of the chapter Determinants. Today we are discussing properties of determinants with examples. Okay, let us start. Properties of determinant. First one is the value of a determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. That is, consider determinant first row A1, A2, A3. Second row B1, B2, B3. Third row C1, C2, C3. It is equal to determinant. Here the first row becomes here first column. That is A1, A2, A3. Here the second row is B1, B2, B3. It becomes second column here. That is B1, B2, B3. Okay. Third row is C1, C2, C3. Here we can write it as third column. C1, C2, C3. Property 1 says these two determinants are equal. That means the value of a determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. Clear? Example, verify property 1. For determinant, first row is 1, 4, 7. Second row 2, 5, 8. Third row 3, 6, 9. Okay. By property 1, we have to show that this determinant 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9 equal to interchange the rows. We get here first row is 1, 4, 7. We can write here column 1, 4, 7. Okay. 2, 5, 8. That is we can write here column 2, 5, 8. Here row is 3, 6, 9. We can write 3, 6, 9. Okay. We have to show that this determinant value is equal to this determinant value. For that, first we calculate the value of this determinant. That is determinant 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. First we assign here positive, then negative, positive. Okay. First we assign positive, negative, positive. Okay. 1. Here positive, that is positive 1. We can write 1. Then delete first row and first column. And the remaining elements are 5, 8, 6, 9. Put in a determinant. 5, 8, 6, 9. Okay. Once more. First we take 1. Okay. Then delete first row and first column. Okay. The remaining elements are 5, 8, 6, 9. Put in determinant. Okay. Next we write second element, that is minus 4. Okay. Minus into 4. We can write minus 4. Then we delete first row and second column. That is here we delete first row then second column. The remaining elements are 2, 8, 3, 9. Write in this determinant. 2, 8, 3, 9. Okay. Next element is 7. It is positive. Positive 7. We can write plus 7. Okay. Next we delete third column and first row. Okay. That is here we delete first row and third column. The remaining elements are 2, 5, 3, 6. We can write here 2, 5, 3, 6. Okay. You write 1 here, then calculate the value of this determinant. That is 5 into 9. We get 9 into 5 is 45. Okay. Then minus. Next we multiply 8 into 6. That is 8 into 6 is 48. Okay. Minus. Next we write 4 into here 9 into 2. That is 18. Minus 8 into 3, that is 24. Okay. Then plus 7 into. Here we can multiply 2 into 6, that is 12. Minus 5 into 3 is 15. That is equal to, we can write. Next we write 1 into 45 minus 48 is minus 3. Okay. Then minus 4 into. Here 18 minus 24 is minus 6. Okay. Plus 7 into 12 minus 15 is minus 3. Okay, we get 1 into negative 3 is negative 3. 4 into negative 4, that is this negative we get plus 24. Next, positive into 7 into negative 3, that is negative 21. Now we get 3 plus 24 is 21 minus 21. We get 0. Now the answer of the determinant 147,258,369 is equal to 0. Clear? Next we calculate the value of the determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First we assign here positive, negative, positive. Then that is equal to, we write here the first element is 1. This is positive 1. We can write 1 here. Then put determinant and eliminate first row and first column. That is, we eliminate first row and first column. The remaining elements are 5, 6, 8, 9. Right here 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Then next we write negative into 2. That is negative 2. Okay. Determinant. Here we eliminate second column and first row. Okay. Here we eliminate first row and second column. That is, we eliminate first row and second column. The remaining elements are 4, 6, 7, 9. 4, 6, 7, 9. Okay. The next element is positive into 3. That is positive 3 plus 3. Okay. Then determinant. Next we eliminate third column and first row. Okay. That is, we eliminate first row and third column. The remaining elements are 4, 5, 7, 8. Right here 4, 5, 7, 8. Clear? So we write 1 into. Okay. Next multiply 5 into 9. We get 45. Okay. Minus 6 into 8. That is 48. Minus 2 into. Here we can write 4 into 9. That is 36. Minus 7 into 6. 42. Okay. Plus 3 into. Here we write 4 into 8. That is 32. Minus 7 into 5. That is 35. Okay. This is equal to 1 into 45 minus 48 is minus 3. Okay. Minus 2 into. Here 36 minus 42 is minus 6. Plus 3 into. Here 32 minus 35 is minus 3. That is equal to, we get 1 into negative 3 is negative 3. Negative 2 into negative 6 is plus 12. Here 3 into negative 3 is negative 9. Minus 3 plus 12 is 9. Minus 9. We get 0. And that is, the value of this determinant is equal to 0. Therefore, determinant 147,258,369 is equal to determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, property 1 verified. Next we are discussing second property. Okay, the value of the determinant is 0 if any two rows or any two columns are identical. The value of the determinant is 0 if any two rows or any two columns are identical. That is, determinant A1, B1, A1, A2, B2, A2, A3, B3, A3. Here the first column and the third column are identical. That is, first column is A1, A2, A3. Third column is A1, A2, A3. Therefore, in this determinant, first column and third column are identical. Therefore, its determinant value is equal to 0. Okay. Consider the example. Determinant 1, 2, 2, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 2. Here, first row and third row identical. Okay. Here the first row and third row are identical. We know that by property 2, its value is 0. Can we check it? First we assign positive, negative, positive here. Okay. Then take 1. Okay. Then eliminate first row and first column. The balance elements are 5, 6, 2, 2. Okay. Putting determinant 5, 6, 2, 2. Okay. Then next we write negative into 2, that is negative 2. Okay. Determinant. Eliminate second column and first row. Balance elements are 1, 6, 1, 2. 1, 6, 1, 2. Okay. Next we write plus 2. Plus 2 determinant. Eliminate first row and third column. Okay. Then the balance elements are 1, 5, 1, 2. 1, 5, 1, 2. Okay. Equal to 1 into. Here we multiply 5 into 2. That is 10. 10 minus 6 into 2. 12. Okay. Then minus 2 into. Here 1 into 2. We get 2. Minus 1 into 6. That is 6. Okay. Plus 2 into. Here 1 into 2. We get 2. Minus 5 into 1. That is 5. That is equal to, we can write 1 into 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Okay. Plus 2 into, here 2 minus 5 is minus 3. That is equal to, we can write 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Okay. Then 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8. This negative, we get plus 8. Okay. Then 2 into negative 3, we get negative 6. That is equal to, we get negative 8 plus 8. That is equal to 0. Hence we get determinant 1, 2, 2, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 2 equal to 0. Okay. Hence verify property 2. Clear? Next is third property of determinant. The value of a determinant is 0 if any two of its rows or any two columns are proportional. The value of a determinant is 0 if any two of its rows or any two columns are proportional. Okay. Consider the determinant. Determinant A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, A into A1, A into A2, A into A3. That is equal to 0 by property 3. Okay. Here first row and third row are proportional. Okay. Here first row and third row are proportional. So by property 3 its determinant value is equal to 0. For example, verify the value of this determinant equal to 0. Here the first row is 2, 4, 6 and third row is 4, 8, 12. Consider the third row. Here the elements 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and 8 is equal to 2 into 4 and 12 is 2 into 6. It is of the form A into A1, A into A2, A into A3. Okay. Here the first row and third row are proportional. Okay. Now we have to check its determinant value is equal to 0. Okay. We assign here positive, negative, positive. Okay. Equal to, we can write positive into 2, that is 2. Okay. Determinant. We eliminate first row and first column. The balance elements are 5, 6, 8, 12. 5, 6, 8, 12. Okay. Next we write negative into 4, that is negative 4. Determinant. Eliminate here second column and first row. Balance elements are 1, 6, 4, 12. 1, 6, 4, 12. Okay. Next is plus 6. Okay. Then determinant. Here eliminate third column and first row. 1, 5, 4, 8. Okay. Here we get 2 into 16 minus 48 is 12. Minus 4 into 12 minus 24 is minus 12. Plus 6 into 8 minus 20 is minus 12. Here 2 into 12 we can write 24. Okay. Negative into negative, positive. 4 into 12, that is 48. Okay. Next is 6 into minus 12, that is minus 72. Next is 24 plus 48, that is 72. Minus 72, that is equal to 0. That means determinant of 2, 4, 6, 1, 5, 6, 4, 8, 12 equal to 0. That is verified third property. Next is fourth property of determinants. The value of the determinant changes sign if any two rows or any two columns interchange. The value of the determinant changes sign if any two rows or any two columns interchange. That is determinant A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay, here we interchange first row and third row. We interchange first row and third row. Then we can write it as, if we interchange two rows or two columns, then take a negative outside. Then we write here first row is C1, C2, C3. Then B1, B2, B3. Okay. Then A1, A2, A3. Okay. Next is fifth property. That is, if each element of a row or a column, of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, then its value gets multiplied by k. If each element of a row or a column of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, then its value gets multiplied by k. That means determinant first row k(a1), k(b1), k(c1), second row a2, b2, c2, third row a3, b3, c3. It can be written as, we take k outside, k into. Okay, that is in first row we can write a1, b1, c1. Okay, then a2, b2, c2. Third row a3, b3, c3. Okay. Next is sixth property of determinants. If some or all elements of a row or column of a determinant are expressed as sum of two or more terms, then the determinant can be expressed as sum of two or more determinants. Consider the example. Determinant a1 plus lambda 1, a2 plus lambda 2, a3 plus lambda 3, second row b1, b2, b3, third row c1, c2, c3. It can be expressed as equal to determinant. First we write a1, a2, a3. Okay, a1, a2, a3. Then next row b1, b2, b3. Third row c1, c2, c3. Okay, plus next we write in first row lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Okay, second row is b1, b2, b3. b1, b2, b3. Third row is c1, c2, c3. c1, c2, c3. Okay. Clear?